How's it going, guys, and welcome to another video. Today I will be showing you how to unlock a Motorola C2 Force. It's a very simple process and we will be doing it together step by step. And remember, this is a factory unlock, which means that you will be able to use your phone with any GSM carrier worldwide. And one more thing before we get started. It is not free, but believe me, it's worth it and it's not expensive. So let's begin with the first step. Turn on your phone and go to the dial screen. In here, you will have to dial the following: *#06#. A 15-digit number will appear on your screen. Make sure to write down this number as we will use it in our next step. Now go to your computer and go to the website unlockpanda.com. In here, we will have to provide some information about the mobile phone. First, let's enter the original provider. This is the carrier which the phone is currently locked to. On my case, it's United States AT&T. Then, enter the manufacturer. Let's go ahead and look for Motorola. Then look for the specific model. And in here you have to enter the email number, which was the number that we found out on the last step. And lastly, enter the email where you wish to receive the unlock code. And at the bottom, you can look at the cost and the delivery time. On the following page, you will have a chance to review the information. Make sure everything is correct, and then you can proceed to the payment. After you're done with the payment, you will be receiving an email just like this. On that email, there are step-by-step instructions as well as the unlock code. So now we go back to our phone. Make sure it's off and we have to insert an unsupported SIM. On my case, it's any SIM except one from AT&T. And then we turn on the phone again. It will ask me for the unlock code automatically. Make sure you enter the unlock code you received on your email without any mistakes. And remember, guys, this code is generated uniquely for this phone. It won't work with another device. So we're gonna enter all the digits carefully here. And then we just have to press unlock. And there you go, guys, your phone is unlocked. Enjoy!